But what you can do is there's a lot of people that they're not always sure if they can sue somebody. And sometimes they're justified in it and sometimes they're not. But there are lots and lots of websites out there that will help you understand basically the answer to the question, do I have a case? Right? One of the things that I've seen, I have not had much experience at all working with lawyers other than have some contracts drawn up or like a will. So nothing super interesting. You're not going to write a will with Alexa. But what you can do is there's a lot of people that they're not always sure if they can sue somebody. And sometimes they're justified in it and sometimes they're not. But there are lots and lots of websites out there that will help you understand basically the answer to the question, do I have a case? Right? Is this something that would be worth hiring a lawyer to pursue, or do I have no chance at even bothering with all this stuff? Those are the kinds of things, these kinds of almost like wizards that let someone say, well, I don't know if I have a good case or not, but I'm really curious if I do. Let me talk to this law firm that I've heard of, and in their skill, it has oh, you want to know if you have a case here? Let's ask these 5 questions, and then we can tell you instantly whether it's worth your time to pursue. If you want to pursue it anyway, we'll be happy to take your money, but these are the cases that we generally cover, that kind of stuff, right? I also thought it would be interesting for lawyers to have things like legal dictionaries. What does it mean? Like if I'm being sued, what does that mean? Or what are my options, or whatever. Just simple questions that you would ask a lawyer and they're perfectly qualified to answer, but Alexa probably could answer a lot of those questions for you also. As well as, like I said, like the brochureware contact information stuff I think is really important. If you've seen, lawyers are notorious for advertising on radio and television and all that kind of stuff. So I know the names of law firms. I have no idea when I would use them, but it might be useful to well, I know their name is this, but I don't know how to contact them. If I could ask Alexa, that would be super handy.